It's time for another Dollar Tree Challenge. And our theme today is
butterflies.
So
I did see some butterflies at the Dollar Tree last challenge.
You did? Well, you gotta make something.
I know.
Or you could use them, I suppose.
And then you make something.
Yeah. All right, so we're off to the Dollar Tree.
Bye-bye.
All right. We're in the car. Do we have a plan, Mia? So you have a plan. All right. Off we go.
I think I'm good.
Crossing my fingers they have the stuff that we need. You ready? We kind of brainstormed some ideas on our way, so we kind of have an idea of what supply. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but Nala and Mia do. So we have some ideas of what supplies to get for the two of them. I still need to figure mine out. What about these for some antennas? And are there clothespins? Those little ones. Okay, what'd you get, Nala?
I got this. Yeah. And this.
You can do whatever you want.
Okay.
Oh, you found a butterfly balloon. How cute.
I got this big pen. I'm gonna paint it white. This fancy Nancy part. Then I'm gonna paint it. I'm gonna paint it white so it's easier to paint it purple.
Okay. So that was our quickest trip ever. But it was also our most expensive trip. All right.
Go home.
Okay. Can you grab them? Yeah, that one, and one more. Yeah. Thank you. You don't want Fancy Nancy on your pen, so you're painting over it. What are you doing, Nala?
Putting pom-poms in there.
Ooh. So that's for your butterfly's body?
Yeah.
Okay. Good job.
I got a bunch of bug stickers.
Cute. What are you doing, Mia?
I'm putting on stickers on my room.
Trying to make it dry faster?
Yeah.
I glued my butterflies onto sticks that we found outside. Cute.
I made my antennas. I just noticed this. That if you write, it goes flap, 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 flap.
How cute! I love it, Mia.
I do too. So I forgot to wear my mustache. So I'm wearing it now.
Adorable. I love it. So Nala made these cute little butterflies with stickers and craft sticks. Mia made a butterfly pen out of a Fancy Nancy pen. How cute is that? I made a little butterfly terrarium out of paper butterflies and sticks we found outside the apartment, and a Dollar Tree tray and vase. So we hope you liked this 4th challenge. You have to watch our other 3 episodes of our Dollar Tree
I'm gonna do
challenge.
more.
And hopefully we'll do more. I don't know what the theme is. If you have a theme idea, comment so we can choose one of yours.
Bye.
Okay, bye.
Toodles.